9:22 and Morning Rounds Coffee and UC Health are teaming up to support healthcare workers. Here to explain that new partnership is UC Health's Jen Jackson. Jen, thanks for being here. We talked about first responders. We all need coffee early in the morning. We're not first responders, but we get it.
Yep.
Being up this early. Talk about that partnership and how it benefits both you guys and obviously the coffee shop.
Yeah, so UC Health, one morning we were all talking about coffee is part of our lives, right? Whether you work night shift, day shift,
or somewhere in between.
Somebody's drinking coffee.
Yeah.
And so we came across this company called Morning Rounds.
Okay.
And it was created by healthcare workers. And part of their philosophy is to give back.
Okay.
So every bag that's purchased, they have a charity and organization that they give proceeds back to. So UC Health and the University of Cincinnati College of Nursing have partnered together with Morning Rounds to create nursing scholarship funds.
That's awesome. So basically by buying coffee, as you mentioned,
Yeah.
you're giving these nurses the opportunity to go to school and take some of that financial burden off of them.
You know, most students who go to college these days need a scholarship,
Yeah.
right? It's
Yeah.
expensive. And so if you like coffee and you like to drink coffee, this is a perfect company to buy from. If you know a healthcare worker who drinks coffee, it's a perfect company to buy from.
So where do we buy this from? You can go online and get it anywhere?
Yep, so you can go on their website, Morning Rounds.
Okay.
And if you put into the discount code section, CIN for Cincinnati, part of the proceeds from your purchase will come back to the University of Cincinnati College of Nursing.
Well, and that's so important too. So I'm a dad to a senior this year who is going to be going to an area college. And you know what? It costs a lot of money for moms and dads, regardless of what you're in. But then you have that, extra care of being a first responder and getting all of your certifications and, all of that learning. It really can add up.
It really does. And so this little bit of dollars that come back into the college are going to support our next generation of healthcare workers, right? We're going to need them 10 years from now. And if they can't afford to go to school, if this gives them a little bit of a boost, and that person who's never been to college, first time, college student, this will just help them.
Yeah.
And you get to drink a great cup of coffee every day.
Well, and how long does this last? Is there a time frame on any of this?
So there isn't. So at any time over, whenever you feel the need to purchase, part of the proceeds will come back to the College of Nursing. So it's not just a one-time purchase. Any bag that you purchase over the course of the year will give proceeds back.
But again, we want to identify CIN for Cincinnati.
That's right. We want to make sure that Cincinnati gets named in that so that they'll provide those profits back to the College of Nursing.
Jen, well spoken. Thank you so much. You guys do a heck of a job, and it's now the time to support and thank our emergency responders. Good to see you as always.
Yeah, thank
you. All right,
you.
we have so much coming up in your forecast. Stay with us right here on Fox 19 Now.